Morning, everybody. Welcome to Masking Morning with Country Mouse. You'll hear raindrops in the background because Ohio has decided we are going to have some more rain. We get one day off of beautiful, sunny, warm weather, and then it's back to the rain. Alright, today we are going to try out the mask. Well, I've tried out the serum. They actually have a serum for this. Actually, they have a whole brand of stuff for your face. But this is the No7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum Boost Sheet Mask. If you like the No7 serums, then maybe this will be good. I am very, very sure I did like the serums, and that's why I picked it out. But we can't be 100% sure because I forgot my notebook. I'll have an update later on this video. But it looks like this. And, of course, you know, all the information's on the back of this. It says 1 week's worth of age-defying serum ingredients. So you won't have to use their serum no more because you'll get it all in this little package for $5.99 at Ulta, which says new. Or you can get it at Target, and it's $5.99 there. I don't know if it's in store or just online, but Target's got that thing going on where if you spend $20, you get a $5 gift card. So basically, you throw this in your cart, add a couple more things, or maybe one more thing, and then you get your gift card, and you get $5 back to spend again. I mean, there you go. There's an option. It says, provides a 7 times concentration to the skin in just 20 minutes, powered by the advanced anti-wrinkling technology with a brightening complex plus our complex of calcium and amino acids. The mask is designed to adhere seamlessly to facial contours for improved delivery of ingredients. Sorry, I keep looking down at the little picture on the back. Use a mask weekly alongside your No7 age-defying skincare regimen to see even better results after 4 weeks. Well, I don't have any more of my No7 skincare stuff. I've already tested it out, tried it, you know, did my notes in my notebook, moved on. Testing other things now. But this mask looks a little weird. My face is clean, so it's alright. This mask, you're supposed to leave it on for 15-20 minutes. We know better than that. I'm going to try to keep it on as long as possible to get as much of that goodness inside my skin and better that, you know, the situation. My skin's been extremely dry. I'm hoping this helps. I mean, it has a nice little glow, but it's dry. It's bad. And they say when you remove the mask, discard and gently massage any remaining essence into the skin until absorbed. So this is going to be a big mask. First off, I should have already done this, and I just realized it when I look back up at the camera. We're going to throw all this back up here. Done. We're going to open this up, close up. Ooh, that squirted. My bad. Let's see if there's a scent. Oh, shouldn't have done that. Whew. I think this smells exactly like their serum does. I never could put my finger exactly on what it was. I know it kind of had like a perfumey smell to it, but it is a little strange. Wait till you see this, because I didn't show you the back of what the mask looks like. And yes, I said this mask is for your face and your neck. I've done masks that, you know, was for the neck, but it was just for your neck. I'm still unfolding, guys. This thing's bigger than my head. And that is what we got. Okay, this is intriguing. Let's get a close-up first. See? You guys see those white spots? They aggravate the shit out of me. That might be up too high. They say pull it around your ears, which I don't know if this side of my head's going to be able to handle that. My earring will probably tear it. It's like putting a wet piece of notebook paper on your face. And hey, you know what? If the rest of the sheet masks did that, I think I'd be alright with them. Especially those ones that fall down all the time. I hate that. Do I have it? It's not good to do without a mirror. It's like, oh. Whoa, that's got a whole lot. What? Are you serious? There's another hole. This might get uncomfortable, guys. Because some of you guys don't know, but I have a VP shunt behind that ear. I mean, directly behind that ear. And putting any pressure or anything really makes it hurt and actually kind of dangerous. Get in there, man. It is a fight. Okay. See? I struggle. So if you ever get this mask and you struggle, you're alright. It looks like everybody will struggle a little bit. Alright, I tucked in these corners. And that's about as much smoothing out as I can do. Now that's what I'm talking about. Let's cover this up and actually get some moisture over here. What do you guys think? Looked like I had like some kind of facial surgery. Like a cosmetic one. I'm all bandaged up. Alright, I will be back when this is done. So I'll see you in a little bit, and I will hopefully, yeah, I'm gonna have the information of if I enjoyed the No7 serum. I can't talk with this one. It's just, oh. Alright guys, that is off. It's gotten darker out here. Hope it don't storm. Alright, base feels like it needs to set a little bit more. I have some nice little shine going on. I don't even need highlight today. Check out my glow. Alright. We are going to get a little up close and personal because I can't find my little hand mirror. I searched this whole time looking for my hand mirror. Wish this thing would go away. It's been there for like a week. Alright, my thoughts why this is doing what it's doing. is I had it on for more than the 15 or 20 minutes. That's what it was, right? I don't know. Usually I wait till it's pretty much dry. Yeah, 15, 20 minutes. And basically, by the 20-minute mark, my ears started to feel numb and start to hurt. So my suggestion is don't keep it on any longer than 20 minutes. I mean, I could feel the blood flow starting to get up through my ears again. But the bad thing is, now that serum that was, trying to rub it in, guys. It's in the crease. Got behind my ears. Now, I normally only break out a few places on my face since I got older, but behind my ears is the worst. And it's because I have oily hair, so it sits back there. Now I've got this serum back there, and it feels pretty gooey. So that I don't like with the mask. I mean, I didn't mind that I could pull it back behind my ears, but having the serum on those ends is not a good idea. I think they should have like something wrapped around those ends so you can decide if you want to unwrap it, or like a plastic piece, like a piece of tape or something. Maybe something that you can easily wipe off before you put it behind your ears, just in case you're like me and have that issue. The neck part did not stay on, but because the chin part was up over the ears, it did stay on, so that was great. All this is very moisturized feeling. Very. Like, I don't feel dry like I was this morning. Down here feels moisturized, but it was a pain in the butt. Even sitting back in my chair and holding my phone up like this to watch YouTube videos, it was still coming off. So for a mask like that, I suggest you go get like a couple little alligator or crocodile clips and put a little bungee cord onto it, and clip it on one side and clip it on the other, and this way it kind of is forced to stay there, but you might strangle yourself. Kids, don't do this at home. I did look up the No7 serum. I did like it, but I had to use certain primers with it. My normal primer is the purple Smashbox pore minimizing one. I love that one. It makes my skin feel really, really good, look really, really good. But with that serum, it kept peeling up. It works good with the other primers I ever tried, so that doesn't make me so nervous when I go to put on makeup later on today. You guys hear the rain? I don't know. Like I said, I do feel very moisturized. Like, even in the crevices of my nose, usually those are mist because, masks just kind of tint out across this area. But because it was cut in a certain way right there, it did help set in there. I like it. I say that now until I go put on my makeup. So, I know this video is not going to be up till sometime next week, so I'm hoping I remember to look in my notebook and put in the comments, that if it was bad once I put on my makeup. But my skin feels smooth. Still a lot of firmness. I'm a heck of a lot shinier. But it feels so nice. This is a mask you might want to go try. If you got some really bad dry skin, or any type of dry skin, even if you're a dry combination, I think this would be awesome for you. But if you're super oily, I wouldn't suggest it. I wouldn't use this on my oily days. I like it. What do you guys think? Got some glow going on. I keep looking back and forth. I'm not used to using my phone all the time to record things now. So, one day I'll have a camera again. But this is a pretty good little mask. You guys should try this. I recommend it for right now. Like I said, unless it peels up with my makeup, then I just got a raindrop on me. Then I probably will tell you to use other primers and stuff to put over top of this. I don't know how this is going to work. Since my face does feel extremely moisturized, I don't think I'm going to actually do any other skincare today. I mean, I'm staying in the house. It's too rainy to go to the fair. But that is it. That is all I have for you guys today. Now, don't forget to subscribe. Have that giveaway going on. Yep, you still have time. Have that giveaway going on. And it's linked down below. Give Gleam your email from that link. And must be subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed my video. And leave me some comments. I enjoy talking to you guys. I will see you all later. Bye.